Welcome to the crypto. My name is Arthur, and in this video we're gonna scan for triangular crypto arbitrage trade and do some live triangular crypto arbitrage and stuff like that. And of course we're gonna go through this triangular crypto arbitrage scanner that I have been using since. You know what I mean? So this scanner pretty much works in mobile phone or PC or whatever device that you might wanna use, and is available as I'm recording this video. So I'm going to show you how exactly you can use it in a phone, and I'm going to show you how exactly you can also use this scanner on the PC, and you're gonna scan for arbitrage opportunities and stuff like that. So without further ado, guys, let's just jump right into it without wasting time and stuff like that. As you can see here, it says discover profitable arbitrage opportunities across multiple crypto exchanges in real time, and advanced algorithm scans the market 24/7 and stuff like that. So you can use this scanner of 24/7 scanning for arbitrage opportunities. And guys, keep in mind that this scanner pretty much works with all crypto exchanges. As you can see, it says my exchange support and also secure trading and stuff like that. You guys gonna go through all this stuff, but it's really a good scanner. You can also see the reviews and stuff like that. So let's just jump right into it. I already signed up and stuff like that. We're just gonna go ahead and click where it's written and get started. So as you can see that it has got really user-friendly dashboard, and right here you can just choose the markets that you want to scan. And this is very important because you can see that this scanner now supports pretty much all the big exchanges, including Binance, Lunovala, Bitget, Coinbase, OKX, Bybit, Crypto.com, KuCoin, Get.io, and stuff like that. So it's a really good scanner, and I have been trading on KuCoin and Bybit as well. So as you can see right here, it's the same as the one we've been using, but then this one has been improved and stuff like that. Now it supports more than all these exchanges. Right here you already know that you have to put the amount that you want to trade with, which is 100 USD, and of course you have to select the exchange that you want to take advantage of, like exchange that you want to scan for arbitrage opportunities from. So in this case, let's scan on Bybit crypto exchange. You know what I mean? Because that's my favorite crypto exchange, and I always make money with triangular crypto arbitrage opportunities from Bybit. So right here you want to see the top at least 7 triangular crypto arbitrage opportunities that are available on Bybit. And these settings, you can just leave them like this. And right here, if you want to automate the whole process, you can also put your API keys, secret keys, whatever, all those stuff, and make sure you enable this. You know what I mean? But this video, we're just gonna scan on Bybit and then get triangular crypto arbitrage opportunities, and then we're gonna get right into it, and then we're gonna do a live trade. As you can see, this scanner is really user friendly, and it's very simple to use. All you have to do is to put your amount and stuff like that and click apply. You know what I mean? So it's just gonna scan and give us arbitrage opportunities already. So as you can see that right now it has successfully scanned these opportunities, and first one being UCT to SOL, and you can see that this one is going to give us 7%. So this is the arbitrage opportunity that I can go right into because it's the highest right here. So we're gonna need some USDT, and we buy SOL, and then swap Solana to BTC, then sell BTC back to USDT. And currently you can see my time, we're going to be making at least 7%. You know what I mean? So I'm just going to jump right into Bybit. As you can see, we have got at least 5 to 10 minutes to take advantage of this triangular crypto arbitrage opportunity that he has found on Bybit. So right now we're just going to jump right into Bybit, and of course I'm going to also just to show you the scanner in my phone, and then we're going to jump into my Bybit, and then we take a trade. Alright guys, so this is how it looks like in phone, and you can see that it's easy, and you can be able to scan in crypto arbitrage opportunities everywhere you go and stuff like that, and be able to find these opportunities. You know what I mean? All you have to do is click this button and get started, and put your markets and everything, and you're good to go. You know what I mean? So right now I'm just going to jump into my Bybit. So right now I'm just going to go to my Bybit, and you can see that right here I've got 100 USD, and this is the amount that we're going to use to take advantage of that triangular crypto arbitrage opportunity that we found. You know what I mean? So we're just going to go to trade right here and select the pair right here, and it says we have to buy some Solana. Then after buying Solana and swap it to BTC, then from BTC to USDT, and that's how we're gonna make that 7%. You know what I mean? So we're just gonna search right here, so like this, and select this one, so to USDT. As you can see, it's also pumping, and I mean, this is crazy. Know what I mean? So we're just gonna buy and use the whole available balance that we have right here. And in fact, let's use a market order so that it can get filled immediately, like this 100, and then click buy. Boom, buy Solana. Now you can see that we have got some Solana right here. All right, so we're just gonna go to search bar right here again, and then search for BTC to Solana, right? So just gonna type so like this and look for BTC to so like this, and then we're gonna have to sell some Solana right here, right, to BTC 100%, and click sell like this, right? Now we have some BTC in our wallet, so we're just gonna go ahead to pairs right here and search for BTC to USDT because we want to sell that BTC. So you're gonna search BTC right here to USDT, this one right here, and we're just gonna click max and sell all the BTC that we have right here to USDT. Know what I mean? Sorry, right here, and refresh. Boom, as you can see right now, we have successfully made 6.82 USDT, and we started with at least 100 USD, and this is how much we ended up with. So this scanner scans pretty much all the opportunities in real time, and 24/7 is also available. Alright guys, so this is it. My name is Arthur, and if you want this scanner, you can just go to heavycryptouniversity.online, and the link is also going to be in the description below as well. And we're just gonna go ahead to West Sweden Triangle Crypto Arbitrage scanner, and as you can see, it's still on a discount. And this scanner pretty much support in both mobile phone and desktop. What you have to do is to add it to cart like this, click checkout, and fill up your details right here, and you're good to go like that. And just select any cryptocurrency that you want to make a payment with, and you're good to go. And the link to this scanner is going to be in the description below. Therefore, I'll see you in the video, guys. Love and peace. Make sure you subscribe and leave a like button for YouTube algorithm so that I keep on coming up with good content like this one. As you already know that we're on the way to 50k, so make sure you hit that like button, guys, for YouTube algorithm. Therefore, so the video, all the links going to be in the description below as well, including Telegram group and stuff like that. So you already know what to do and what I'm gonna say. Love and peace, guys. Cheers.